In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert Excel table in Gmail with borders. So there's two ways to paste formatted table in Gmail. So all you have to do is select your table, then go create borders for it. Let's say, for example, this one, or choose whatever one you want from this. Now let's go ahead to the formatted table, click on it, then choose this color. For example, now all you have to do is select all and then click on Control-C or click on copy right here. After that, just go ahead to your email, click on Compose, and here just hit Control-V. As you can see here, the table has been posted with borders as well. You can also just right-click and hit Paste on it. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.